Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the fast charging not working fix on Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. So first, check your cable and charger for any damage and the compatibility with your phone. Then, right here on the bottom of your phone is the charging port. Clean it with a non-metallic tools, so Q-tips, wooden sticks, or compressed air will do the work. Also, you can go in settings, then the battery, here and here, and charging settings. Make sure that the fast charging is enabled. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.